Kani kadai ka Bathymmai TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi, belawan rasyapi da ka rupa, bapentingan bat penbha.
Myntri ke Sorkar Pdeng ubadai pek ya katna Tribal Affairs jual oram ubalawan yuk kejat hanombak Shillong hagasngi sajan ka khanyu tarik Ïing ulapli pai ba ya ka Ïing School bala ainam haka kerteng jong Reverend Father DJ Wollaston ka badon ha St Anthony's College Shillong. Hagani ka Ïing building ka Bathymmai kadon arpunyo tali ki kamera class bat ki laboratory lai tali ki departmental office bat kawai ka executive conference hall. Ujual oram mulai thuru bakatanat ka bapek ya katanat Tribal Affairs kala bu thong ban pai khmat lem ban pek na ka banta ban kentiu ya ka baha kamiat jong ki pai ba hakal lengkari barok kawai. Hagawai pat kaliang Myntri ramba ka jela Konrad ke sangma habakren hagani kasngi ulai thu baka Sorkar jela kala bu hakmat ban kentiu ya ka Plie ka puthi khnang ban wanra ya ka jingkala haga jela barok kawai. Myntri rangba ka jela ula khot bat weru ya ki snat trekam ka Sorkar ya ki Research Institute bat ya ki karkhana ban tre shutam na ka benta ban wanra ya ka song penroy ki ban kentiu irat ya ka jela habarok kiliang.
I would like to thank God for having given us this wonderful day to have this wonderful program today and for having blessed each one of us, especially the students of St Anthony's College, with this wonderful building. And on that note, I would also like to congratulate Brother Albert, all our Reverend Fathers, all the faculty members, and the entire Antonian family for having faced all the challenges and yet kept focus on what they had to do. And that is what you need, as brother said, to succeed. And yes, indeed, you have succeeded. It is never easy when you don't know where your resources are going to come from, and you still start with a project simply because you have a goal, a mission, and passion in your heart. And I must congratulate all the people who were involved in making this project a great success. We all know about the Salesian congregation. We all know about St. Anthony's College and the fact that it is the premier institute in the entire Northeast region. My late father, who himself is a Salesian product, which also makes me also indirectly a Salesian product, used to always say that education is the agent of change. It is he who instilled the idea and the goal that if we want to take our state forward, and if we want to change the future of our children and of our state, it is only through education we can do that. And that is why in every official program or even in any kind of political program, late Mr. P. Sangma always used to stress on education. And that is why we also believe, and we have seen this, and I think each and everyone who is present here believes it, that it is only through education that we will be able to change the future of our state. Yes, we need other development aspects. Yes, we need the roads. Yes, we need infrastructure. Yes, we need different kind of policies to be created. But unless our human resource is not properly polished, if our human resource is not given the necessary training and the talent and the skills they require and the knowledge they require, in spite of having all the infrastructure and all the policies, we will never be able to take advantage of all these situations. And therefore, I am extremely happy that today, the way St. Anthony's College is going, I must congratulate all the Salesian, our fathers, our brothers, who are there and have been working tirelessly to ensure that this college is the best in the entire Northeast.